Hey everyone! Today we're taking a deep dive into Audi's latest electric SUV, the Q6L e-tron. Now, officially on the market. Rumor has it this model was co-developed by Audi and Porsche. It's a full electric SUV. Here's the key fob. Let's do a quick walk around of the exterior and interior. The front fascia perfectly embodies Audi's signature design language. The iconic four-ring emblem at the center is backlit for a premium look. It features cascading LED light strips that create a stunning visual effect. The flanking headlights feature a modern split design configuration. The upper section houses the distinctive daytime running lights. They activate with an eye-catching animated sequence when powered on. Below sits the LED high/low beam unit with crisp illumination. Now, if you look at the bumper sides here, you'll notice these strategically placed air vents, which actually helps reduce drag coefficient when you're on the move. Moving down the bumper, we've got 6 radar sensors positioned here. The vehicle features front parking sensors as standard. Let's talk dimensions. It measures 4,884 millimeters long, 1965 millimeters wide, stands 1,696 millimeters tall, with a generous 2,995 millimeters wheelbase. This slots right into the mid-size SUV category. It features multi-link suspension systems at both front and rear axles. Looking at the profile, the rear windows come with tinted privacy glass. This gives passengers complete privacy in the back. It rolls on stylish multi-spoke alloy wheels. Up front, you get high-performance 4-piston brake calipers. The front tires are massive 55/45 R21s. The rear tires are a beefy 285 millimeters wide. The side profile shows just how massive these tires are. You'll find charging ports on both sides, driver and passenger rear. Since this is a demo vehicle for the tour, the ports are currently locked for display purposes. Moving to the rear roof section, you'll spot the signature shark fin antenna handling all your signal needs. Moving down, we can see it still features a sleek full-width taillight design. When unlocked, you'll notice this cool animated light sequence flowing across. Up top, there's a prominent high-mounted brake light, while down here, the lights create this beautiful refraction pattern. Honestly, nobody does lighting quite like Audi. The lower bumper integrates 6 radar sensors. This car comes with rear parking sensors. Now let's check out the trunk space again. You get hands-free power opening here. There's an additional camera mounted down here. Notice how the rear seats fold up vertically. Check out this generous cargo space and storage options. The trunk comes with a retractable privacy cover too. Underneath the panel, there's a recessed storage area. It comes with the standard toolkit included. The rear seats feature a 40/60 split folding design. When folded down, check this out. The surface isn't perfectly flat though. There's a slight incline in the middle section. Still, you get generous cargo space overall. When you need to haul bulky items, the retractable cargo cover in the middle can be easily taken out. Up front, the hood features convenient hydraulic struts, though you won't find any sound-deadening material under the hood. Now let's check out the engine bay. They've actually created some clever storage space here, perfect for stashing a small bag or essentials. You can also store your daily essentials here. Under the hood, this model features a single rear-mounted electric motor, delivering 205 kilowatts of power, with 460 Newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.3 seconds. It's powered by a CATL battery pack. It packs a 107 kilowatt-hour battery. You'll need to top up the windshield washer fluid on this model. The door handles feature a sleek, open design. Just reach inside and give a press. You'll notice the electronic release mechanism activating. The side mirrors automatically fold when you lock the car. Now, let's step inside and check out the interior. The interior design really gives off a high-tech vibe. You'll notice the dashboard and infotainment screen form one seamless curved display, though they actually operate as 2 independent screens. Up front, the passenger gets their own dedicated display too. And right above is a heads-up display projecting key info onto the windshield. The steering wheel comes wrapped in premium leather, with convenient control buttons neatly placed on both sides. You can feel satisfying tactile feedback when pressing these buttons. We've also got paddle shifters for manual gear changes. The upper door trim features soft-touch plastic for a premium feel, while the lower section gets premium leather upholstery. Check out the subtle ambient lighting integrated in this area. The door handle cleverly incorporates multiple controls, including lighting controls right at your fingertips. Next up, we've got seat memory settings and the rear child lock controls. What's cool is these door handles work both electronically and manually. Just give it a light pull for the electronic release. See how smooth that is? Now in case of emergencies, you can just yank it like this for manual override. Now that's smart engineering. Up here on the dashboard, you'll notice all surfaces use premium soft touch materials. The center section features a stylish wood trim. The lower section comes with premium leather upholstery. It's equipped with a full-color ambient lighting system. Even the rear seats contribute to the premium cabin ambience. Both the instrument cluster and infotainment display boast impressive resolution. The displays are crystal clear with no visible pixelation. The system comes preloaded with region-specific applications. You can easily pair it with your smartphone. The interface runs really smoothly. There's a dual phone holder right here. Over here on the left, you got wireless charging. It comes with 2 Type-C ports inside. Plus, you get a 12-volt power outlet right here. Fun fact, this cigarette lighter is actually just for show. Down here, you'll find the engine start button. The center console features the hazard light switch and volume controls. Under this retractable cover, you'll find 2 cup holders. Just slide it closed when not in use to keep dust out. The gear selector uses a modern electronic shift mechanism. Here's how you engage different drive modes. The center armrest compartment has enough space for about 4 soda cans. The seats feature premium faux leather upholstery with a sporty design that offers great side bolstering for superb comfort and support. Both front seats feature adjustable thigh supports that slide out to accommodate even taller drivers like myself. The leg support here is exceptionally comfortable. Moving to the front seats, they feature both ventilation and heating. The roof is upholstered in premium suede. Both the driver and passenger seats are equipped with vanity mirrors and LED makeup lights. Both the driver and passenger sides feature an overhead handle. Each side has its own handle. The roof features a split sunroof design. It's operable with a retractable sunshade. Keeps you cool in summer heat, while allowing natural light during winter. I've set the front seats to standard driving position. For reference, I'm 5 feet 8 inches, 1.72 meters. Now let's check the rear legroom. Even when seated, you've got about 2 fist widths of legroom to spare. There's more than enough room back here. You'll find a handy little divider here. There's a minor hump in the center console area, but it barely affects comfort for middle seat passengers. Rear passengers get their own dedicated air vents. Plus, you've got dual USB-C ports down here for charging. You'll find 3 detachable headrests on the rear seats. Right in the middle, you've got a center armrest. It features 2 built-in cup holders. Down here is where you'd install child safety seats. The mounting points are left exposed. Personally, I really like this design approach. It makes installing car seats a breeze. The car has officially hit the market. The official price list is out. Overseas pricing starts around $65,000 to $80,000. This gives us a good idea of its bang for the buck. At this price point, what should we test drive next? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more EV deep dives and reviews. See you in the next one.